All right, it's 9:30 in the morning, and just left another house that I had to do a check on, and I'm here at this next house. Um, I got guests coming today, but I found out yesterday when I was trying to heat the pool that the flue stack sensor was out. This is a gas heater. It threw an E05 code, and Google, good old Googler, said it was a flue stack sensor, which looks like this. And it goes right there, and that hole just threads in, and then it quick connects to these two wires. So the pool service, or the pool supply store, wanted $150 for a sensor, and I was like, nope. So good old Amazon, I ordered two. They were $16 each. So I'm gonna try to put this in and get this thing going. I'm praying that this is the issue, because like I say, I got guests coming at 4. I gotta heat this pool. Luckily the pool's only 70 degrees right now, so I think I can get it to 85 by 4 p.m. So I'm gonna put this sensor in, and I'm gonna fire it up, and we'll see what happens. I will come back after I put this in. All right, so I got the new sensor in. You can see there, just quick connects right together. I mean, it took me, 30 seconds to install. I'm not a pool heat fix guy. I just watched a video, and found the part online. Here's my thought on why it went bad, and I'll show you the other sensor here. So you can see this, it's got exposed wires, and when I looked at it, the wires were crossed like that and touching. I'm thinking that's what shorted it out. This heater is like 2 years old, so I'm guessing that's what caused the short. I don't really know. It could just be that the sensor inside just went bad on its own. What do I know? But here, I'll show you. So pool pump is running. Pool pump has to run like 45 to 60 gallons per minute for the heat to work. Just in general, just to heat your pool. So I haven't even turned it on yet. So let's learn together if I failed or if there's another issue. But so pool on. So it says the water's 67 degrees right now. So you hear it kick. So it's blowing, but it's got to fire up. You'll hear it. You'll hear it fire up like a furnace. Hang on. So right now it's just blowing cold air, which you'll hear it kick in a second. There it goes. All right, so if this worked, it won't shut off after a minute. So why not? Let's just watch this thing cook. Let's see if it shuts off here. Let's see if the air comes on. Error, not air. I'm gonna stand up because my knees are hurting. Ugh. So far so good. That air's hot. But if it's an issue, then we'll shut off. So I'll show you the pool again. Here's the pool pump. So again, ideally you want to run 60 gallons a minute. That's all working great. Pool's working great. Skimmer's going. Not a super huge pool. It's a nice pool. So I think I can get it going. I think I can get it heated to 85 in like 6 hours. Typically it's got to heat all night, but this is a propane heater, and this thing cooks pretty hot. So if it was an electric heater, I'd be screwed. But yeah, this is not shut off yet. Not shut off. I think we're golden. But yeah, I'll come back with a different video and walk you through the house. But so yeah, so now that this looks good, I'm super excited. I bought a backup one for next time. And you'll learn with short-term rentals, you always need a backup, one or two, because you just never know. And this is a first for me. So I'm gonna add heater repair or pool heat repair to my resume. But your average co-host isn't going to be able to do this, but you know, I'm above average, so just barely. So 67, so yeah, this will heat to 85 and we'll be good. All right, guys.